Which founding father signed the Declaration of Independence, served as a battlefield surgeon, reshaped American education, and fought for mental health reform, and somehow still isn't a household name? Meet Benjamin Rush. He doesn't get the branding of Hamilton, the mythology of Washington, or the charm offensive of Franklin. But Benjamin Rush left a legacy that competes with them all. As the First Continental Congress gathered, a young doctor set up shop outside the State House in Philadelphia, offering free smallpox inoculations. No speeches, no pamphlets, just action. At 28, Rush already had a restless, revolutionary mind. Born into a modest family, he lost his father at 5, but brilliance carried him from Princeton to the great medical centers of Europe. When he returned home, he wasn't just a physician. He was an abolitionist, a public intellectual, a reformer, a patriot who believed liberty had responsibilities.
Liberty without virtue would be no blessing to us.
When the War for Independence began, Rush went where he was needed most, the battlefield. He treated soldiers after Washington crossed the Delaware and survived capture at Brandywine. After the war, Rush turned his attention to a different patient, the nation itself. Independence wasn't enough. He believed America needed moral health as much as political freedom.
Without virtue, there can be no liberty.
Rush believed the American experiment depended on a balance: science and faith, liberty and responsibility, freedom and good government. His prescription? Education. He championed public schools, education for women, education for Black Americans and immigrants. A republic, he argued, only survives if citizens are formed in mind and character. Then came 1793. Yellow fever tore through Philadelphia. Government officials fled. The wealthy escaped. Rush stayed. His treatments, radical purges and aggressive bloodletting, are eclipsed by modern medicine today. But he faced the epidemic head-on. He lost students, friends, family. He nearly lost his own life. Still, he refused to stop asking questions. Still, he pursued the truth.
I am pursuing truth, and while I can keep my eye fixed upon my guide, I am indifferent whither I am led, provided she is my leader.
In his later years, Rush turned his attention to something even more neglected: the mind. He wrote America's first major medical treatise, arguing that mental illness and addiction were diseases, not moral failures. At a time when society offered shame and punishment, Rush argued for compassion, dignity, and care. Radical ideas again. Benjamin Rush was a healer. He treated bodies on the battlefields, minds in safe havens, and a nation still learning how to live in liberty. His legacy lives on today through the Benjamin Rush Institute, working to train a new generation of medical professionals committed to human dignity, innovation, and the protection of the doctor-patient relationship. Because Rush understood something America still needs to remember: truth doesn't fear scrutiny.
Temperate, sincere, and intelligent inquiry and discussion are only to be dreaded by the advocates of error. The truth need not fear them,